channel. My name is Ramay and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to be trying some really cool, crazy viral hacks, viral makeup hacks from 5 Minute Crafts. 5 Minute Crafts is a channel that provides you with simple, easy go-to hacks that you can work out in your real life as well. So let's not waste any more time and quickly get into the video. So as you guys can see, I have my base on. I haven't done my brows or my eyes yet. So we're gonna try that. So for this hack, I'm gonna need a pair of tweezers, some brow product and a brush. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the product on this side of the tweezers with a brush, and let's just do it. So with the help of a brush, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow or the brow product on the tweezer. It just, the tweezer cannot hold any product whatsoever, but let's just try it anyway. Somehow, but you have to keep applying the product again and again. So this does not make it a hack at all. You can do it by yourself. It's not even perfect, as you can see, or maybe I'm not good at it, so that's why. So I'll quickly just do my brows with the help of a brush itself, and I'm not going to use a tweezer now. We're gonna need a spoon and we're gonna do a cut crease with a spoon. I mean, I am not really sure about these hacks because I don't know if they'll work or not. It's just me who cannot work with these hacks well. So we'll see that for ourselves. We have to keep the spoon like this on the eye, and with the brush we'll just outline it like this. Does this really work? I can't even see anything. Okay, no, this. I'm a complete mess, you guys. Like, look at this. I can do it better without the spoon. Actually, I can make it work a little. I'm quite surprised that it worked, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it with this side as well to see if it really works, to check if it really works. So just dig into the product and take your spoon, put it in your eye, it does not work at all. It does kind of work, and I'm really surprised that it does. And it's not that bad. I mean, it's not that bad really. So I'm gonna fix my eyes first. I'm gonna do a cut crease and then I'll come back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have done a full cut crease. Now we're moving on to the eyeliner hack, and I have a thread for that. So we're gonna take a thread. I'm just gonna cut it here, and we have to apply the eyeliner on this part of the thread. So we have our eyeliner here, and then we're just gonna So I clearly messed this up, but oh my god. Still I'm gonna give it a try. No, this literally does not work, you guys. This is a mess. I just ruined my eyes, as you guys can see, and I don't even know if I can fix it or not. Like, I just cannot. Okay, so I tried to fix this side, but I couldn't. So here we are with one messy liner, and this hack clearly didn't work, and it will not work if you don't practice. You need enough practice for this hack to actually work, because you cannot work it out in the first go, and you're surely gonna mess all the eye makeup that you've already done. So I would suggest you go for the eyeliner first and then do the other things if you want to try. So moving on to the next hack, we have the Vaseline petroleum jelly and a mascara wand, and we're gonna dip it into the petroleum jelly, and then we're gonna apply it on our eyelashes to just separate the eyelashes. So now we have to apply a mascara on this, and let's just see if it really keeps our lashes separated. So I have the mascara. Okay, so it does work, you guys. You can see it. My lashes got separated. Yes, it does work. It's a good hack. I would give it a thumbs up to this hack. It has worked for me. I can say, like, my lashes are really separated. So now we're gonna move on to the next hack, which is nose contouring. Now for this hack, we're gonna need a tweezer again, and we're gonna need our contour palette. So I have it with me, and we're gonna dig into the contour palette like this. Now this might just ruin your palette, but you have to try this hack. So I'm just ruining my contour palette with this stupid hack. And then what we have to do is we have to outline the nose, the bridge of the nose. Can you really see anything? Like, you cannot even see anything, to be honest. Let's just do it again. Oh, well, this hack will work on you if your nose is really thin, but my nose is very thick, so it does not work at all. Can you see, like, the lines are not even fitting my nose, which is crazy. I don't think this hack will work for you if you have a big nose, a wide nose like mine. But if you have a thin nose, a thinner bridge, then it might work for you. So I'll just do the nose with my own technique. And so we have contoured our nose, and I did it with my own technique because the technique that the hack that we were trying did not work for me because of my wide nose. But anyway, it looks pretty decent. I think the eyes look amazing as well. I have really missed this eye, but that's okay. So for the next hack, we're gonna need a hairbrush, and we're gonna need some eyeshadows again. Now the thing is that we're gonna make fake freckles with the help of the hairbrush. We have to put some eyeshadows on the cuticles of the hairbrush. So let me do that first. So I'm sorry about the lighting. The weather is really gloomy. So I have put the eyeshadow on the cuticles of my brush, and let's just see if it works. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay, it does work. Like you guys can see it. It does work. And I think this is amazing. This is really easy. And now this is a hack. This is the hack that I love. It did work. As you guys can see, I have these freckles here. So yeah, it worked and it looks amazing. I don't think the camera has captured a lot, but it does work. So this is the final look that we have created with these hats, and I think it's pretty much amazing. Like, it looks beautiful. Although some of these hacks did not work for me at all. I mean, most of these hacks did not work for me at all. But maybe it's because I don't know how to work with them, or I haven't really practiced them. So that might be the reason. If you practice it, you might as well do it better than me. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what all videos you want me to make. If you want me to try more such hacks or not, or anything that you would like to tell me. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon over there so that whenever I upload a video, you won't miss it. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Brunmai. I come up with new videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So don't forget to stay tuned for my next video. Until then, bye-bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.